5 free AI image generators. I tested all of them with the exact same prompt. Some results were impressive, some were embarrassing. Here's exactly what you get and which one designers should actually use. Welcome to Kianex, AI and design tools broken down simply. Let's get into it. Same prompt for every tool. Futuristic city at night, neon lights, cinematic, detailed. Let's see what each one does with it. Adobe Firefly, completely free, no account needed to try. Type the prompt, and here's what we get. Detail is strong, lighting is cinematic, colors are rich, and the most important thing, Firefly is trained on licensed content only. No copyright issues, ever. Rating, 9 out of 10. Ideogram, lesser known but underrated. Same prompt. The composition here is actually really strong, and Ideogram does something others struggle with: text inside images. If you need AI images with readable text, this is your tool. Rating, 8 out of 10. Canva's built-in AI. Convenient because it's right inside Canva. Same prompt. Result is okay, not bad, but compared to Firefly, less detail, flatter lighting. The advantage, you can drop it straight into your design, no exporting. Rating, 6 out of 10. Bing Image Creator, powered by DALL-E, completely free. Same prompt. Actually impressive for a free tool. Gives you 4 variations at once. Detail and lighting are solid. The downside, sometimes inconsistent. Rating, 7 out of 10. Leonardo AI, free tier gives you 150 tokens per day. Same prompt. This one surprised me. The level of detail is the best of the 5. Cinematic quality, real depth. If you're a designer who needs high-quality AI images, Leonardo is worth learning. Rating, 9.5 out of 10. So here's the final ranking. Number 5, Canva AI. Best if you're already in Canva. Number 4, Bing Image Creator. Best for quick results. Number 3, Ideogram, best for images with text. Number 2, Adobe Firefly, best for copyright-safe work. Number 1, Leonardo AI, best quality, most control. My pick, Leonardo for quality, Firefly for safety. All 5 tools are free, links in the description. Subscribe, new AI and design breakdown every week. Next video, my full design workflow, idea to finished graphic in 20 minutes. See you there.